Hey guys, how you going? As you might be able to tell, I'm not currently in my classroom. I'm not actually even in Australia right now. I'm currently in Uganda, in a set of schools run by something called the School for Life Foundation, about an hour's drive outside of Kampala, which is the capital city of Uganda. I'm here in the school holidays because this is a school which has just been kind of started up by this Australian NGO. It's actually a set of 3 schools, 2 primary schools and a secondary, because in Australia we kind of take for granted the access we have to education, and that we kind of treat it as a bit of a, it's a universal human right that, in fact, we say it's illegal to not send your children to school. But that's not what it's like in Africa, and certainly in a place like Uganda. Right now, the region that I'm in is quite rural, so if you have a look around you, or around me rather, you can see I'm in this beautiful, lush land, and it's actually, one of the things that surprised me about coming to Uganda is just how incredibly green it is and how everything just grows. In fact, agriculture is the main industry of Uganda. But I'm here for a week, really 5 days after you take out travel, because it takes about 22 hours to get here and 22 hours to fly back. I'm here to work with these students and teachers and help them become better at learning and teaching mathematics, which is kind of the thing that I do everywhere that I go. And it's really been an eye-opening experience to see the challenges that children deal with here. And it's quite, despite the fact that it's so difficult to get to, many of the children here, they walk to this school from maybe 3 or 3 to 5 kilometers away. That's kind of the radius that this school accepts. So they're waking up really early in the morning to pump water and get food into their homes, and then to come to school. They start around 7:30 here because it gets pretty warm in the afternoon. And just the desire that people have for education, because they see it as the way out of poverty. It's something that's deeply valued here, which I think there's not as much appreciation for when we have such ready access to schools. So it's been a real delight. I'm pretty jet lagged because there's a 7-hour difference here, but it's been fantastic working with the teachers and the students, and I look forward to sharing more stuff so you can learn about the great work that School for Life Foundation is doing here. Catch you later, guys.